No idea. Like yours here is like one of my best friend, right?
I've never been able to find.
Oh my God, they're beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I've been here for a few years now. We were either too late or too early, but now we're just in time to see the beautiful cherry blossom trees blossom.
In the past, I've just missed the Cherry Blossom Festival down in Washington, D.C. years and years ago, whereas I know we tend to be a little bit late. But it is kind of a waiting game, though, just because if you're tracking everything on the Hyde Park website, it's just a matter of waiting to see when the cherry blossoms get into stage 6.
It's nice, look beautiful, peaceful, and this is my first time of coming. Seeing this, I think I will come back next year.
Yeah, I mean, you forget all your stress, and it's some place that we come to escape our daily life and responsibilities like job and all the stress that's going. And I think it's a place full of love and connection, of course. So that's what we enjoy, right?
And we always have that memory. So every year we come here and cherish that memory over and over again. And this is the right time where we start welcoming the summer. I know it's a little cold out here in Toronto, but yeah, it's that hope now. The summer is here. That's what makes us feel really good.